gentlemen, inside the box, something I've been waiting for less than a week. It's finally here. Let's do this. Couldn't give us a collectible box, huh? Really cool thing they did was they actually encased this in plastic so the wire doesn't damage the material. This thing feels rather light. Might be a little on the cheap side, the actual power box gimmick here, but as long as it works.
Batteries not included.
Needless to say, he was packaged up extremely well, which is very much appreciated. Let's remove your glass slipper, Cinderella. It's my favorite version of G-Man right here. I love Godzilla 1985. I actually prefer it to the 84 Return of Godzilla. Yep, I said it. It's the one I grew up with. Yeah, that's cool as hell, man. I like it. Can't wait to see the dorsal fins light up. Yeah, let's see what the instructions can tell us. Y'all know what that says. So I'm not sure if those instructions actually specify heating the figure in order to insert this tailpiece here, but yeah, it's not happening without that. So most people seem to recommend using a hairdryer, and that's what we're about to do. That is awesome, man. It's one of the main reasons I bought it, because it does that. Oh, man. That's cool. When I was a kid, that was one of my favorite things about Godzilla. It's right before he'd fire his radioactive breath, his dorsal fins would glow blue. And that is pretty nifty. I like that. Looks like he's about to fight somebody. I wonder if there's another kaiju around here. I'm lying if you're a big fan of the film The Return of Godzilla, aka Godzilla 1985, you'll be hard-pressed to find a more visually satisfying figure than this one. Its screen accuracy is unmatched by any other 84 figure I've personally seen, and the exclusive version with the LED feature is well worth the extra coin. Only negative here is the figure's day at regular price has come and gone, and it's been relegated to the second-hand market. But that said, being a big fan of the movie still made this one a must-buy for yours truly. If you're thinking about picking it up, I believe you'll be well satisfied. Thanks for watching.